What just happened?
Yeah, I got frightened. Ah! Michael! Oh! What happened? Oh! You okay?
Keep your horn and see if he does anything.
Then I'm gonna pass the truck's unloading, and it just tipped.
Lovely.
My man was upset about staying longer.
Sometimes you might forget a few things.
Dude, hey, wake up, dude. What's wrong with you, man?
He's ready.
And what have you got to say about this kind of luck? It's definitely like success times 4, or maybe even magic.
I owned your mom.
Oh no!
Do you know why your car stays longer in the garage?
Shows just how heavy these steel coils can be.
Oh no! And here is the kindest pull-up bar in the world. It must have been waiting for the ideal moment to break.
നടക്കൂല അത് ഇറക്കി മെല്ലെ എങ്ങനെയല്ലേ ഇറക്കി താഴത്തേക്ക് വെച്ചോളൂ
His knife skills will amaze everyone.
Well, this will be the most memorable day of their lives. When you know it's your time to sit back down,
Oh no! To be honest, the ladder did not look particularly reliable from the start. But at least the chimney was in the right place at the right time.
It would be much better if he had a buddy. The first time is probably more than enough, but he said no.
Oh no!
Let me guess. You used hot water. It seems like these cars are on a trip.
Ça va? Ça va? C'est sûr?
He shares this video so that people can learn from his mistake.
No, 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 no.
Oh my god. He failed and was very sad.
Ouch! Do we really need the sign on our head?
I owed him up. But I'm trying to open it up.
Okay, but you gotta put pressure. You're gonna have
You're gonna need a little more practice.
Babe, why did you say put pressure?
Oh my.
Oh my gosh! I made it! I made it! I made it! Oh my god! I made it! Oh my god!
When you accidentally turn into a poor man's Harry Potter.